Good morning, boys and girls, teachers, and staff. Today is Monday, November 12th of 2018. Today is the official observance day of Veterans Day, so I hope that you remember some of the fun facts that we found out about Veterans Day from last Friday. And if any of you know a veteran, or if you have a family member who's a veteran, make sure you tell them thank you for their service. All right, for today's announcements, we have our first trimester assembly happening at 8 o'clock in the gym. We'll be doing some special prizes and awards for Principal Pride today, and also attendance awards, as well as recognition for our safety patrol. We do have a couple November birthdays to announce for today, so Tyson Chapman and Amelia Estes, happy birthday to you. Lunch choices for today, we have popcorn chicken, General Tso's chicken and rice, or some butter and jelly sandwich. And today, our third grade boys and girls have decided to talk about what not to do within PE class.
All right, boys and girls, today we thought we'd talk about having positive attitude and working hard and showing respect while in PE class. So the third grade boys and girls decided to come up with this today, and they have some suggestions of things that you make sure that you do not do while in PE class.
Do not talk when the teacher's talking, or do not be loud when the teacher's talking. You can talk but still do your job. Don't interrupt.
Those are great suggestions. Thank you very much. And those are great things about what not to do when you're in PE class.
Thank you very much for those suggestions, what not to do in PE class. Of course, boys and girls, you know exactly what you should be doing, hopefully within PE class. So making sure you're listening to the teacher at all times. Make sure that you keep appropriate space around you and your friends so you're not putting hands on anybody. Making sure you're following the game rules. So a lot of different things that you know that you can do within PE class to follow appropriate pause at all time. Today, when we take our moments of silence, I want you to think about and give thanks silently to somebody that you might know, or even if you don't know, somebody who protects our country, and that's our veterans. So at this point in time, let's please take a moment of silence. Thank you. If you could please stand for our Pledge of Allegiance.
Okay, boys and girls, it's time for our Pledge of Allegiance. So please make sure that you're standing and your hand is over your heart. I pledge
allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all.
Thank you very much for that great Pledge of Allegiance. I appreciate that. So, boys and girls, today we have our first trimester assembly. So we have report cards that will be going out this Friday. So make sure that you make great choices for this week. And next week is actually a short week. So we only have 2 days next week before Thanksgiving break. This upcoming Wednesday, just as a very quick reminder that we do have an early dismissal day happening, but I will share more information about that tomorrow and during our announcements. Everyone have a great day.